Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Broadcom stock and let's do the price action analysis on this thing. So, well, as you know, we had earnings and a great guidance and this thing shot back, well, shot up, not back up, but shot up, right? It's at all-time highs. This thing is also unstoppable, just like Nvidia, and it's at $1,735. What from here? Well, to put it simply, we are still bullish, but just before going further, before that, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice and is purely for education purposes, all right? Please do your own thing, and I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. Okay, so yeah, here we are, well, right after gap up, and I talked about on this day after the gap up, guys, that this one red candle is not going to make it bearish. It's easy. It's very tempting to short after such a gap up and you see a red candle like, oh yeah, this is going to go down, right? But as I said in my video back then that no, this is not a short play. It's more likely just going to stay up here or continue higher. And yeah, and we are continuing higher. So this is how it usually happens. They have their stock split coming they are also splitting it by 10, so 15th of July, so a month out from now. So yeah, so let's go to the lower time frame. So we are structured full on bullish on daily interval. And as I said, guys, yeah, any pullback as if it comes, that's just a buy. And we got the upside play on this intraday, still going long. This is unstoppable. All right, so what's from here, guys, right? So yeah, as I said, I mean, we are still bullish, guys. At this point, you know, these are the levels of pullback, 1728 and also 20 hours moving average. Any pullback until then is just a buy. If you lose 20 hours moving average, I mean, don't short. Well, you can try intraday short, but I would still say it will just mostly catch up to 50 hours moving average, and it's just going to be a buy, at least for coming days, coming days and couple of days. Any pullback into it are just a buy, in my opinion. Right now, I'm not seeing any structure break. The thing is that even let's say if we come down to 1652, it's not going to it's not that easy for it to just break below 1652. If it does, it does. But am I seeing any signs of that? No, it's just plain bullish. As I said, for a couple of days, couple of tries, it's still an intraday long play. And yeah, right now I'm not seeing any structure to the downside. If any weakness comes, as I said, let it break 20 hours moving average first, and then it may come down to 50 hours moving average, but nothing more than that. Yeah, this thing can continue higher. It's still strong. Sentiment is still behind semiconductors, and yeah, right now it is bullish. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. In my opinion, pullbacks are just a buy on this. Any structure break, if it has to happen, first it has to lose 1677 at least. But yeah, well, that's happening is a very low probability. All right, guys, easy peasy. That's all for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.